Good morning, everyone. Myself Murali Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about Ansible modules overview. Okay, let's see the overview of Ansible modules. Okay, as per documentation, Ansible module is nothing but like Ansible sits with a number of modules called as module directory. Okay, this module library, using this one, you can execute directly on the remote servers or through playbook. Okay, these modules we can use inside the playbook or we can run directly remote hosts. Okay, and we can also write our own modules. If we require, we can write our own modules as well. Okay, these modules can control system resources like services, packages, files. We used if you want to stop the services, if you want to install any packages, if you want to copy the particular files, we can use it. Okay, and also we can handle executive system commands. Okay, using these modules, we can handle the executing system commands also. Okay, simple example I can tell, like in Linux, if you want to install any package, will be used yum command, right? In Linux, we can call it as yum command, but in Ansible module, we can in Ansible we can call it as yum module. Okay, using yum module, we can install any packages. Okay, example, the frequently will be used the modules. There are thousands of modules will be there. Okay, frequently what we are going to discuss in our majorly in our Ansible playbook. One is yum module. Yum module, if you want to install any packages, we can use it. If you remember, we used Ansible ad-hoc command. We used the yum command to install tree command, right? Fine. Next one, copy module. Using copy module, you can copy from one location to another location. Anything in Linux, we can use the cp command, right? In Ansible, you can use the copy module. Next one is service module. If you want to start, stop, restart the service, we can use the service module. Okay, then in Linux, if you want to download anything, we can use the wget command, right? Same thing for in Ansible, we have a get underscore URL module. Using this get underscore URL module, you can download anything from internet. Okay, users module. If you want to create any users, we can use the users module. And then group module. We can, if you want to create any group, we can create the group module. Okay, there are a lot of modules will be there in internet also. I mean Ansible official documentation. You can just give it Ansible modules. Okay, here if you see here, all modules. Here you can find out thousands of modules. Whatever you want, you can take it from here as well. Okay, in case if you are not aware, example, I need a M module, Ansible M module. Just type it like this. Okay, now you can get it Ansible related M module. Example, you can take it here. You can go through it and you can write your own modules. Okay, I mean, if you want to install any package, there are a lot of options will be there. You can go through it, you can use it. Okay, example, if you see here, I'm using M module and HTTP, I'm installing the latest version. Okay, example, I'm telling. Got it, right? In case if you want to install specific version, we can install like this. I hope understand it. What is the main intention of the modules? Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in next video.